Today we will be unboxing the GL73 laptop. Within the box we have the laptop itself as well as accessories in the surrounding compartments such as the AC power adapter and power cord, the warranty registration card, and quick start guide. A protective cloth can be found between the screen and keyboard to guard and keep the screen clean from smudges when the lid is closed. The GL73 features a multi-touch touchpad alongside a SteelSeries per-key RGB keyboard with lighting control provided through the SteelSeries engine app. Hardware configurations include up to an Intel Core i7 9750H processor and up to an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti GPU for strong gaming performance. On the laptop, we find USB 3.2 Type A and Type C, killer network Ethernet and SD card reader, HDMI, and mini DisplayPort, as well as AMP+ Gold audio jacks, complemented by powerful giant speakers. Cooler boost technology is also provided to keep temperatures down. The laptop features a 17.3-inch Full HD 1080p IPS level display capable of 144Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time. The GL73 weighs in at less than 6 pounds and has dimensions of 16.5 inches in width, about 11.3 inches in depth, and 1¼ inches in height when the lid is closed. Experience untethered gaming power with the GL73 laptop.